Dear students, today we continue our video lecture on the discipline English Stylistics. The theme of the second lecture is Style and Stylistics. Style and stylistics are fundamental concepts in the study of language and literature. They encompass the artistic choices writers to make to convey their message and evoke specific responses from readers. The main objectives of the lecture: to provide an introduction to the concepts of style and stylistics, to explore the differences between style and stylistics within language studies, to highlight the importance of analyzing style in both written and spoken communications. What is a style? Style is a distinctive way a writer uses language to express a unique voice and tone. It includes the selection and arrangement of words, sentence structure, and literal devices. A writer's style reflects their personality, perspective, and creative vision. Style refers to the distinct way in which language is used by individuals, groups, or within particular contexts. It encompasses linguistic choices at all levels: vocabulary, syntax, sounds, and structure. Style is influenced by factors such as purpose, audience, genres, and medium. For example, spoken versus written. Example: the formal style of a legal document differs from the informal style of everyday conversation. What is a stylistics? Stylistics is the study of style in language, analyzing how writers use linguistic choices to create artistic effects. It examines the relationship between linguistic features and the intended meaning or impact on the reader. Stylistic draws from fields like linguistics, literary criticisms, and rhetoric to understand the nuances of style. Stylistics is a study of style within a linguistic framework. It focuses on how different elements of language are selected and organized to create meaning and effect. Stylistics examines both functional and aesthetic aspects of language, analyzing how these elements work together to convey messages, tone, and intent. Stylistic is applied in a wide range of fields, including literary criticisms, discourse analysis, and media studies. Characteristics of style. The first one, diction. The specific words and phrases a writer chooses included their connotation and denotations. The second one, syntax. The arrangement of words into sentences and overall sentence structure. The third one, figurative language. The use of literary devices like metaphors, similes, and imagery to create vivid descriptions. The fourth one, rhythm and cadence. The flow of musically of the language which can create a distinctive rhythm. The relationship between style and stylistics. Style is the object of study, while stylistics is the method of studying it. Style refers to the features and choices in a piece of communication, whereas stylistics investigates why and how those choices were made. Stylistics helps to systematically analyze different styles in various types of text. For example, novels, speeches, advertisements, to understand their impact on the audience. Levels of style. We have three types of levels. First of all, formal, characterized by complex syntax, elevated diction, and an impersonal objective tone. The second one, neutral, a balanced standard style that is clear and concise without being overly formal or informal. The third one, informal, uses more colloquial language, simply sentence structure and conversational tone. Formal style. Formal style employs complex, sophisticated vocabulary and avoids slang or colloquialism. Sentences are often longer and more intricate, with multiple clauses and subordination. The tone is general, objective, and detached rather than personal or emotional. Formal style aims to be clear, coherent, and efficient in conveying information. What about informal style? Informal style uses more conversational everyday language, including slang and idioms. Sentences are generally shorter and less complex, with fewer subordinate clauses. The tone is more relaxed, subjective, and reflects the writer's personality and emotions. Features of style. Lexical choice, the selection of words based on meaning, tone, and context. Syntactic structure, the arrangement of words and phrases to create sentences which can influence the clarity and phases of communication. Tone, the attitude conveyed by writer or speaker through stylistic choices. Rhetorical devices, tools like metaphors, similes, and hyperbolas used to enhance expression and persuade or engage the audience. Examples of literary devices. First of all, alliteration, the repetition of initial consonant sounds in words. The second one, assonance, the repetition of similar vowel sounds in words. The third one, hyperbolas, an exaggerated statement or claim not meant to be taken literally. And fourth one, irony, when the intended meaning is the opposite of the literal meaning. Analysis of style in literature. The first author, Ernest Hemingway. Style characteristics: sparse, minimalist diction, short direct sentences, objective tone. And impact on meaning conveys a sense of restraint, stoicism, and understatement. What about Jane Austen? Elegant, formal language, complex syntax, subtle irony, reflects the social mores and manners of Regency-era England. Maya Angelou, lyrical, rhythmic prose, vivid imagery, personal confessional tone. And what about impact on meaning? Powerfully expresses themes of identity, racialism, and the African American experience. To sum up, I'd like to say that style is an essential aspect of communication, influencing how a message is interpreted by its audience. Stylistic provides the tools to analyze these stylistic choices, helping to understand the function, impact, and effectiveness of different styles in different contexts. By studying stylistic, we gain a deep appreciation of how language operates across genres, enhancing both our analytical and communicative skills. Your home task will be to answer for the next questions. Thank you for your attention.